This is a Panasonic tripod that was made in the United States of America. I'm trying to get a quick release, either custom made or made for it. The top of this head is about 2 inches by 2 1/4. It's really heavy duty in construction. It's really well made. And there's a picture of it. It's a floating head, and I don't know how old it is, but it will rotate all the way up like this and down. And it pivots, it pans, and it's got a hole right here in the center. So I don't know what kind. There's the word Panasonic. There's US made, and these legs fold down one time. This portion right here, you can unscrew it, pull this out, and that makes it separate. You can hold it away from it. It's really heavy duty made. Comparable models, if it was like the Really Right Stuff or other things, or a Panasonic one today, would be $200 or $300. So I'm looking for a way to get a mount to put it on there. It's got a little screw. It's got a screw here that comes out. Someone suggested, when I contacted B&H, they thought about putting a Manfred on there. If anybody else has got a better idea or a way to do it, now this unscrews all the way. I'm sure that's out. That screw goes in there. So I'm looking for a way to get a head on there. Again, this is 2 inches by about 2 1/2, and that hole is about 3/4 of an inch, big enough to put your finger in. So